Hello everyone, it's Will Mitchell here. Today is February 2nd. We're already into February, which is insane to think about. And just got into the office here. We're getting some videos uploaded that we made for you guys yesterday. One of them on a newly completed home in Mahogany Bay, which at this point, when this comes out, it'll already be up. So check that video out as well. But we're gonna quickly shoot over first thing this morning, go over to the boatyard. Let's check on the progress of the new boat. We haven't done a great job of keeping up with everything, but at this point, we're pretty much done. And we'll give a full overview summary video of that when it's done, as well as talking about how to get a boat out here, permitting process, and a lot of other stuff. So let's go over to the boatyard. I'm gonna finish uploading this and let's take a look at what's going on, guys. Let's head out, guys. Dixie, let's do it, man. Come with us. You might not have seen this guy yet, but he is famous in Japan. Shout out to Cooter Ramsey. We have the landscapers coming out here. They're gonna fix all of this up, so soon the whole area is gonna be beautiful. There's Chewy in the door, doing nice Chewy things. Well, I mean, the most important thing for the viewers to know while we're driving over to the boatyard is we hold a record with Captain Shark's boatyard here on the island, and that record is that we're the only boat to ever sink at the entrance of the boatyard. It's a pretty good record. This is a new spot right here that just opened, La Fonda de Nilo. They have really delicious empanadas. I recommend the chicken empanada. Maybe we're gonna send Laylo over there. Maybe I might even join him on the way to the boatyard. Something people often ask us about is, where do you get your groceries on the island? We have two big supermarkets called Super Buy, and then a number of other markets, but I always get my groceries from different places with the help of Dixie. If you want chicken and eggs, Caribbean Chicken right up here. That has the best chicken and eggs. The fruit stands, you want to get the freshest fruits from those fruit stands. And your veggies, they have pretty much everything you could want. And then any imported stuff will go to Super Buy usually. Fun facts. That's it, we pulled into the boatyard here. Our audio is still going. Let's go take a look at how it's looking. We should be almost done at this point, so let's check it out, guys. Here we are, the boat is looking beautiful. They're hooking up the motors right now. They're 275 Mercuries. They came with a Simrad GPS and transponder, so we're gonna have that linked up here. We're gonna get some nice Fusion boat speakers because we gotta have some music when we're going out. But overall, we're pretty much almost done. This is an old Sea Rhino. Like I said, it sank when we took it out of the junker, bringing it over here. Once we've kind of modified the body and changed the mold, we've lifted the sides, extended it out. It's more of a Luna frame now. So at this point, I think it's about 28 feet wide. Everything's heightened. It's gonna be a much smoother ride. And it's got some great power with the two Mercuries. And yeah, we just can't wait to get this in the water. So finishing up the final things, and hopefully in about 7 days, we should have this baby out on the water. So the boat is looking good, guys. We need to get the canvas for the T-top made still. And then the final thing is hooking up all the electronics, the motor, everything, which shouldn't take long. But apparently we're in a race with the Miami Boat Show, which is coming up, and our mechanic potentially going to the Miami Boat Show. So pretty much we're hoping to get it done before then, and we're gonna call the Port Authority again today with a bunch of names. Try to get the name, get the letters printed, get the boat registered, and then we'll be boating it back to the office maybe next week. I know we've said that a few times now, but I think we're almost there. So let's head back to the office and get back to work and answer some more of your guys' emails, calls, and as always, we can't wait to see you guys out here in paradise. So thanks again for watching, guys. If you have any questions about today's video, don't forget, throw them in the comment section, like and subscribe. We really appreciate you following along with everything going on the YouTube channel. If you haven't already and you're looking to get more information on Belize real estate, check out our book, The Investor's Guide to Belize Real Estate. It's available on Amazon. In it, we detail all the different things you'd want to know before making a purchase. Don't forget to say goodbye to Chewy. And as always, guys, we can't wait to see you down here in paradise.